On this episode of the Max Minute, I'd like to talk about proper fitment of our threaded stud assembly. The whole idea of the threaded stud is that when you place it in the track properly and tension it down, it provides an anti-rotation base to mount a plethora of different things too, such as fuel jug racks, bracketry, tire racks, cabinet systems. Let your mind run wild with how you can make use of the threaded stud. The difficulty is not paying attention to the two nubs that are 180 degrees out on the stud, making certain that they interlock with the retainer above. To locate that properly, drop it into any position in the track, move it left or right a half an inch, and when the retainer drops down over, this is the critical part. Make certain that the stud itself is interlocking with the reliefs cut in the retainer. If that is done, once you tighten that down, it will not wiggle and it will not spin.